Good day, people. Good night. Good morning. Good evening. Anyway, you tune in from. Welcome to Alien TV. Now, as you can see the topic. Who can you trust in this time? Who? Family members, spouse, friends, people in your community, the pastor, the police. Who can you trust? You know what I mean? And as you see the house right there, you would be jogging a lot of people memories of the days when they lived back in Jamaica if you're living overseas, or they're living in Canada, England, America, Japan, Europe, the Caribbean islands, away from your barnland Jamaica. I know this jog your memory and see the humble beginnings where we come from, poverty. Yeah. And what we had, we made it last and we made it survive. We made to survive out of the hard times that was cast upon us, from the days of slavery till now. Now, many of us transcended and made it to America. Some made it to Canada, some made it to England, some made it to Japan, China, wherever they made it overseas to make life better for themselves and their family and their children. Some in America, they work 2, 3 jobs. England also Canada, working in the snow, the rain, taking 2, 3 trains, buses, taking the racism, the disrespect, cleaning shit, dirty floors, whatever they had to do, they work hard in the foreign country to build their dream home in Jamaica. Work hard to build your dream home in Jamaica, planning to return one day after all the slave they did in America, England, or wherever to get their money to build their house. Communicating with family members on their plans to return, maybe whether it be a month or a week or 3 months' time, buying up all the things they have to buy, furnitures and everything, making preparation to go back to Jamaica to, retire and live in peace and happiness after all the hard work. Only to return to Jamaica to get murdered, killed by their own family members for their own property that they worked hard for years in the snow, the sleet and the mud, only to be killed by their own friends or people of their community who are thinking to themselves that they don't deserve to live in that big house that they built, not knowing that these people clean people shit, clean people floor, went through all the abuse in America, sometimes even homeless, just to come out on top and build a house. And your own family member and people in the community, friends, so-called friends, set you up and kill you. Forget your own property. You don't even live in it. Worse if you make them know you have life insurance. Don't be a Jamaican in Jamaica or in America and travel to Jamaica and let nobody know that you have $2 million US life insurance or $1 million US, 500,000 US, or 100,000 US. You will lose your life. You will lose your fucking life. Sorry for my bad words. Never want to use any expletives, but I'm telling you, you will lose your life. Because these people are not being plain fair. If you look at even Tamara Geddes, her brother passed away and her sister got $6 million off his life insurance and she didn't spend a dollar to help bury that man in Jamaica. Tamara found out and you see what they did? They hired a hitman to come and kill your own sister. And I mean in your house and say they didn't know about it. Same scenario I know about a person who went to Jamaica to bury their mom who passed away in Canada. When they went to Jamaica because the mom had a house in Jamaica and had a house in Canada and life insurance, the family members in Jamaica killed that person who went to bury her mom. So her mom died and she went to bury her mom and they end up poisoning her to get the land, the property, and also the life insurance money. I know this of personally, like, you know what I mean? So I know this thing has been happening. So I'm warning people abroad, people in Canada, England, America, all the Caribbean islands, could be Japan, Europe, where you're working hard and building and saving your money to build your dream home in Jamaica. Be careful of your family members. Be careful of who you let in your business. Be careful of who you let know you have life insurance. Be careful. I'm telling you, be very careful. This is like a new scam to kill people to get the property, kill their own family members to get property and land and riches. You know what I mean? Things that people work hard for years 30, 40 years, 25 years, not selling no drugs, working hard and saving your money. Build your house only to come back to Jamaica to be killed by your own family members so they can live lavishly in the house that you have worked hard for. So people, be very careful and mindful of this new, I would call it pandemic, like the corona, you know? Because you have to be very careful of it because you don't know who is who and who is thinking like that. Just like corona, you can't know who is what and who has it, you know? You have to be very careful of these people, residents of Jamaica who are living abroad. Be very careful when returning to Jamaica.